So many things are happening these days, and it's so unfortunate that we have to see them on a daily basis. Hello, my name is Amaka, and you're welcome to Better Gist TV again. Like I will always say, thank you for coming to this channel, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for supporting your girl. Straight to the video of today. Bobrisky has gone to do it again. But before we dive in, this is a brief introduction on who Bobrisky is. His full name is Idris Olarewaju and was born on the 31st of August 1992 in Ebute Metta, Lagos. He's actually a Nigerian, yes, so he's known for his personality as a transgender in Nigeria. He's an entrepreneur, of course, and a beauty therapist. He went to King's College in Lagos State and graduated from the University of Lagos with a bachelor's degree in accounting. So that's a brief introduction on who Bobrisky is. So recently, he posted on his Instagram page that he'll be going for his BUTT surgery. So he wants to go and complete his feminine structure. And of course, you know, our Nigerians, some persons actually thought he didn't go. Some said he went for a malaria treatment. Some people said so many things, and then he went straight to his Instagram and said, oh yeah, comment nonsense now and get blocked. So some persons, I don't know if they got scared and refused to make comments, while the bold ones actually commented. And yeah, a few rough comments I got. This is not interesting at all. This is not really sweet, because there are statements you say to a person and the person really feels down. But for him, I like his courage. He has been going through shades like every blessed time, every blessed day, but he's still strong. Like there are some persons that even when they abuse you, will just say, okay, because this person said this, so let me stop this. And you know, that's what we mean by living your life for somebody. So he's actually fulfilling himself. He's actually living his life for himself, not minding what other people will say or have said or will keep saying in concerning his personality. So yeah, a brief comment.
So guys, quick one. I want to tell you guys that we are all sick.
So after he made that post on his Instagram page, he said, keep dropping your comments and get blocked. I can do anything to my body. It's none of your business. Of course, it's none of anybody's business whatever you do to your body. It is none of anybody's business. Even you watching this video, it's none of anybody's business if you choose to trim down, get taller, get fatter, or get slimmer. It's none of any. I just feel we should just let this guy be, but I wish. I'm not sure it's possible. So this guy went straight to that post and said, are you sure you're okay? Like how? I don't get it. Then this next person said, don't mind them, Jare. That means he's talking to Bobrisky. Don't mind them, Jare. Congratulations on your new brand, on your brand new I know one shout, you know, there are certain words we are not supposed to use on YouTube. So this other person said, come out nose marks, make we see your beards. I come in peace. This statement is not actually a peace statement from the little I know. This one said, no be nyash, Bobrisky you sit like this. Sheko wa risky baye. Well, I don't know. If he's not complaining, then you shouldn't be complaining for him. Sorry, rather. This other person said, sister, brother, we didn't say you can't do anything to your body, but no, they lie. Dominican Republic. Like some person actually believe or thinks that Bob lied, that he's not in Dominican Republic, he's in Las Gidi. So why is he lying? Does it mean if he tells us that he did the operation or the surgery in Lagos, are we going to come after him and all of that? So well, just let him be. This one said, you you go treat malaria, you say na surgery. Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú ẹ. But Bob, I saw you yesterday in Lekki. When you saw him, did you stop him? What did you say? Kò kàn mí o. Now, this is the last. Why I kept these comments the last, because it concerns most girls a lot. Now, this says, what of all the butt enlargement products you were promoting? Were you deceiving young girls? Now, there's a post on his Instagram page where he said, too many endorsements already. Somebody goes out, pay plenty money, go do one or two things for himself, and then one company comes out and said, use these products, you'll be like this, you'll be like that. Which in the actual sense, this person went for surgery, and then you're giving this person a particular product to use that after many weeks, after many days, you're going to be like this. This is actually deceptive. I am not saying Bob can't do anything he or she wants to do, but in this particular case, it's actually deceptive, because most girls want to be like Bob, his body. But trust me, it's actually beautiful being a girl than a man. I'm not saying what he's doing is right or wrong. I'm not here to judge anybody, but I'm saying that if companies comes out, well, that should be for another video. That will be for another video. But for now, I think I'll have to stop here so I can prepare myself for something else. Like I always say, thank you and thank you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscribed fan already. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And of course, you like the video. If you don't like it, you thumbs down, because everything can't go well with everybody. So if this video doesn't go well with you, please leave a dislike. But if it does go well with you, please leave a like down there. Till we meet next time. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.
Okay, can I have the next one, please? Those vitamins. Okay, listen. Okay. Let me have. What's this? Okay, the vitamins. So, guys, quick one. I want to tell you guys that we are all sinners. Now, listen to this. In the 10th commandment, God says, "Thou shalt not what? Thou shalt not kill.
Thou shalt not worship any other gods except.
Thou shalt not steal."
Thou shalt not commit adultery.
What more? They are placed on Instagram. Oh, they commit plenty adultery on Instagram. Plenty adultery. All these small 18 girls in Unilag. You see them boyfriend. Yes, you come and insult me on Instagram that I'll go to FIR. I don't mind log Benny. I don't mind and Benny. Oh yeah, again.
Honor thy father and thy mother.
Honor. Some of you don't even honor your father. You don't even honor your mother. Oh yeah.
Okay, thou shalt not call the name of thy God in vain.
What more go? I swear to God. What? I swear to God. I'm saying the truth. I saw with the Bible. We are all going to fire. Lori Iro. We are all going to fire. All of us. We'll miss there. Sure.